What? What was that?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another jiu-jitsu banger. Let's begin. Don't forget to head over to jiu-jitsu365.wordpress.com for blogging of everything that happens in class. Now, back to the action. Okay, so here I am wrestling with Storm. I'm trying to use the shin-on-shin. I want to use my right leg to pull him up in the air, but he's just pummeling and using a knee slice. He's able to get over. Now, I have reservations about using it on people, especially advanced people for the first time. However, I want to learn how to use this technique, so I'm just trying it out on everyone. Storm passes to side control. He's trying to get a knee on belly. I lift my leg up to block, and then what he's going to do is, I'm taking my right arm and I am trying to prevent the pass. Want to just kind of trap his leg and then try to switch over using my stomach. However, he's going to pummel. I decide that I know he's going to get the mount, so I'm going to immediately stick my forearm in, my left forearm in, and I want to put my right elbow on his knee to see if I can start working my game to try to escape the mount. I've been pretty successful at being able to put my elbow in at the hip, using my right elbow down on the knee to push off. He goes to an S mount, and so at this point what I like to do is just to get, if I can free both hands and get them underneath that top leg, then I can use that to extract myself out from under the bottom of the leg. It's a pretty successful technique, especially when people aren't expecting it. Storm is trying to prevent me from getting my arms all the way in, and he was thinking about going, I think, looked like for a north-south choke for a second. And as you can see, I'm able to get his leg out, and I switch to a toe hold. He decides to address it, and that allows me to push him off. However, it immediately lands me in a triangle, and I knew it as I was coming up, but I couldn't stop the course of action that I already chose. So we start again. Storm steps in. I'm back in the way, trying to do that shin on shin. This time I was trying to go for his other leg, which I've never tried before. I decided to invert. I wanted to grab the leg, but he simply steps around, and once again he's back in side control. You can see I'm framing, and he's up on his feet, almost like his toes, trying to settle in twister side control. I'm turning into him, and he's going for a Darce. I need to start worrying about the Darce when I'm rolling with Storm. It was unexpected, and it caught me. All right, here we go. All right, this time I decided to stand up, and here I was going to try the standing donkey guard while someone is sitting. I've never tried that one before, but I have done a donkey guard on people and have been successful in getting that leg on that one. Now we're playing the hand fight game. I'm trying to remember to stay up and not to get on my knees. Now I wanted to go for the knee cut pass, but man, look at that butterfly sweep and straight to judo side control. He tries to go for that arm bar. I was able to push him off. I didn't scramble. Well, I was able to get up in time. Got to work on that scramble so I can get up quicker to dominate, or not dominate, to pass when I have the opportunity. Alright, I was thinking about going to Kesa. He knows. Look at that. I threw my leg off. Alright, so Storm is looking for a butterfly sweep here. I have my knee on top of his knee. He's trying to kill that butterfly hook that he wanted to have with his leg. And I'm leaning over to the other side to keep from being swept. He's able to grab control and get to full guard. All right. Now here, my thinking at first, I was going to try to turn. I wanted to turn toward the open side so I can haven out. And then I said, well, I'm going to try to panda. And I was going to quickly turn around. I would not, tell people to normally lean forward like that. But I thought I could get up quickly enough and panda, and forward so I could escape. But Storm grabbed me, and so now I am fighting his back attack. You see, I was trying to pummel my legs, trying to get out of there. Storm recognized that and curved his foot in. And so now we're just playing a hand. Now my left hand, you can see I was trying to do the Mr. Thing action and tiptoe my fingers up. If anybody watched the Addams Family and they know what the thing is with that hand that crawls, but I couldn't escape it. And I think he's going to get the tap here in just a second. Let's see. And yes, he did. All right, so we're starting again. Now I've been back off of a 2-week layoff. Of course, I was, assisting with the coaching of the kids class during that time. So I was really feeling the 2 weeks that I've had off, and I'm even making some silly decisions. That was a nice sweep right there. Normally I wouldn't even play this game because I stopped playing this game maybe a couple of months back, where I would try to do the leg locks on people or try to use a lot of things that I wouldn't normally use during a roll with Storm, and I'm paying for it in this session here. And that's time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.